Good day, folks. My name is Sean, and this is Air Photography. Today I'm going to go over 16 reasons why you may want to consider upgrading from the original Mavic Air 2 to the new DJI Air 2S. I'm also going to cover a few reasons why you may not want to consider upgrading, as there are a few features that will be downgraded if you move from the Air 2 to the Air 2S. Now, I just want to mention too, before we continue, that I'm not recommending that you do upgrade or you don't upgrade. This video is just intended for those who are maybe on the fence and just want a little bit more information of what's new when you come from the Air 2 to the Air 2S. If you currently fly the Air 2S and it's meeting all your needs, then definitely there's no reason to upgrade. So with all that said, let's just jump right in and take a closer look. So here in front of me I have the original Mavic Air 2 and I have the new Air 2S. As you can see, the controllers are pretty well identical, a few cosmetic changes, and even the aircrafts themselves are pretty close in design. The only main difference that you can see here cosmetically is that we now have these new upward facing sensors, and of course the new camera. So we're going to cover all the new enhancements that you will be getting if you do upgrade to the Mavic Air 2, the main ones anyways. So reason number one why you may want to consider upgrading is the new OcuSync 3.0 transmission system. DJI is now referring to it as O3, and with the new O3 transmission system, you now get a range of 12 kilometers over 10 kilometers with the original Mavic Air 2. Now, OcuSync 2.0 on the original Mavic Air 2 was excellent to begin with as well. 10 kilometers is something that not a lot of people are going to be flying that far anyways, but the new OcuSync 3.0 transmission system just gives you an all-around better connection. It's not so much about the distance, but when you're in complex environments, you know you're going to get a rock-solid connection. So that's great for people who are going to be flying around in cities and in areas with congested Wi-Fi signals. Now, reason number two why you may want to consider upgrading is the new DJI Air 2S now has 4 antennas. The original Mavic Air 2 only has 2 antennas, so again, that's going to give you a better signal. I don't know if you've ever noticed, sometimes when you're flying your drone away from you, you have a nice strong signal, but as soon as you turn the drone around, sometimes the signal will disconnect or will get weak. It doesn't happen in all situations, but that is something that can happen. With 4 antennas now on the Air 2S, you're always going to have a good strong signal. Now, reason number 3 is, of course, we have this nice new camera with a 1-inch sensor. That 1-inch sensor is going to allow you to get better dynamic range, and it's going to perform better in low light conditions. If you're a person who likes to film sunrises and sunsets, you're going to be able to get more dynamic range and just all around a better picture. So definitely a really great reason to upgrade. Now, reason number 4 is you can now record in a resolution of 5.4K. For many people, that's not going to be too important, but filming at a higher resolution is going to allow you to capture more detail. In addition, if you're going to be exporting your edited videos at a 4K resolution or even 1080, it just gives you also a little bit more flexibility when it comes to editing. That allows you to crop in or manually zoom in some of your videos without losing quality. Now, reason number 5 is another big reason why you may want to consider upgrading, and that is that this drone now supports 10-bit color in a D-Log color profile. If you're a person who really likes to dive in and color grade your footage, recording in 10-bit color is something definitely you're going to be interested in. The Mavic Air 2 did offer a flat color profile, desyn-like, but definitely D-Log gives you a lot more flexibility when it comes to grading and editing your footage. Now, reason number 6 why you may want to consider upgrading to the DJI Air 2S, and that is it now has a bitrate of 150. The original Mavic Air 2 has a bitrate of 120, so that means your footage is going to be that much better. It's going to retain much more detail and just all around a better picture quality. Now, with that said, that higher bitrate will increase your file sizes, so that is something to keep in mind as well. Reason number 7 why you may want to consider upgrading is the camera now offers a field of view of 88 degrees. The original Mavic Air 2 has a field of view of 84 degrees. Now, we're only talking about a few degrees here, but definitely is an improvement. Now, reason number 8, as we've already talked about, we have 2 extra sensors there on the front. Those extra sensors are going to allow you to fly a little bit safer in complex environments. These also offer upward obstacle avoidance, so definitely it is an improvement. Now, that leads us into reason number 9 why you may want to consider upgrading, and that is because of these new upward facing sensors, the drone can fly faster in normal mode with obstacle avoidance enabled. The Mavic Air 2, when flying in normal mode with obstacle avoidance enabled, you could fly at a speed of 12 meters per second, but the new DJI Air 2S is capable of flying at 15 meters per second with obstacle avoidance enabled. So if you're a person who likes to fly fast but still want that protection of obstacle avoidance, this definitely is a good upgrade. Now, while we're on the subject of speed, reason number 10 is also a good reason to upgrade. The ascent speed of the Air 2S has been increased to 6 meters per second from 4 meters per second. That's basically at the speed of which it can fly upwards. On top of that, the descent speed has been upgraded as well. You can now ascend at 6 meters per second compared to 3 meters per second of the original Mavic Air 2. So if you are a drone flyer who places importance on speed, definitely the Air 2S is a good upgrade. Now, reason number 11 why you may want to consider upgrade is to do with the camera again. The DJI Air 2S now offers up to 8 times zoom when filming in 1080 compared to 4 times zoom on the Mavic Air 2. When you're filming in 4K, you now have a 4 times zoom level compared to 2. So again, another good reason to upgrade. Now, reason number 12 why you may want to consider upgrading is DJI's new Master Shots. Master Shots are very similar to Quick Shots, except the content it captures is a little bit more dynamic. I'm going to dive a little bit deeper into Master Shots in a separate video that will be released soon. Now, reason number 13 why you may want to consider upgrading, if you've purchased a lot of accessories for the original Mavic Air 2, many of those accessories are still going to be compatible with the new Air 2S, including batteries, cases, landing gear, and things of that sort. The only types of accessories that won't be compatible are things to do with the camera, such as lenses and filters, because the camera has changed. Now, reason number 14 why you may want to consider upgrading is ActiveTrack 4.0. The original Mavic Air 2 came with ActiveTrack 3.0 technology, so that's now been upgraded to ActiveTrack 4.0. That's going to give you better tracking, and that's also partly to do with these new sensors on top. It's also to do with our reason number 15, and that's APAS 4.0. The APAS technology on the Mavic Air 2S has been upgraded from version 3, which came with the original Mavic Air 2, to now 4.0. Now, if you're not quite sure what APAS is, basically it kind of goes hand in hand with your obstacle avoidance. If the drone encounters an object while tracking or even just flying your drone, it's going to try and figure out a way around it. So with the Air 2S, the APAS has been upgraded. Now, reason number 16 why you may want to consider upgrading is the max transmission bitrate has been increased. Basically, that's the bitrate of the video feed coming from the drone to your controller screen. The original Mavic Air 2 had a bitrate of 12. The new Mavic Air 2S has a transmission bitrate of 44. So that just means the picture coming to your smartphone is going to be that much clearer and more detailed. So those are 16 reasons why you may want to consider upgrading from the original Mavic Air 2 to the new DJI Air 2S. Now, the next part of this video, we're going to talk about a few reasons why you may not want to consider upgrading, because there are a few aspects that you will be downgraded if you come from the Air 2 to the Air 2S. The first downgrade is you're going to be losing some flight time. The original Mavic Air 2 was rated to fly for 34 minutes. The new Air 2S is only rated at 31. We're only talking about a few minutes difference there, but definitely something to keep in mind. Now, the next reason you may not want to consider upgrading is that, I don't know if it's a typo on the website, but according to the spec sheets, the DJI Air 2S does not have the same operating temperatures. For example, the original Air 2 is rated to fly up to negative 10 degrees, where the Air 2S is only rated to fly in 0 degrees. So if you're a person who lives in colder climates, that's definitely something you want to keep in mind. Now, I've flown drones in much colder temperatures, and for the most part, as long as you follow a few simple rules, there's no issue there. So again, I don't know if that's a misprint on their website, but according to their official specs, we're looking at negative 10 degrees and 0 degrees for the minimum operating temperature. Now, another downgrade that you'll be getting is to do with slow motion. The original Mavic Air could shoot at 8 times slow motion. That's 1080 at 240 frames per second. The Air 2S is only capable of 4 times slow motion. So that means it can only record at 1080 at 120 frames per second. So that is something to keep in mind. Not many people use their drone to film slow motion footage, but if you do, if you have been using the 1080 at 240 frames per second a lot, unfortunately that does not transfer over to the new drone, so that's something to keep in mind. Now, another downgrade, which isn't really a big issue at all, but just thought I would mention it. The new Air 2S is about 27 grams, I'm not even 100% sure, between 20 to 30 grams heavier than the original Air 2. Again, not a big deal, but if weight is very important to you, that's something to keep in mind. Now, another reason you may not want to upgrade is that the rumor was that the Air 2S was going to be compatible with the DJI FPV goggles and motion controller. So I know a lot of people were thinking of upgrading for that reason alone. At this point, they are not compatible. DJI has made no mention of it. I am pretty confident that will come with a firmware update down the road, but at this point, it is completely not compatible, and there's no word from DJI if or when it will be. So if that was a reason why you were thinking of upgrading, that's definitely something to keep in mind. Well, folks, those are my reasons why you may or may not want to upgrade to the new DJI Air 2S. As mentioned, I'm not saying you should or shouldn't upgrade. I'm just presenting different reasons why you may or may not. If you don't own a drone and you are looking to purchase your very first one, both are still a great purchase and you're going to be super pleased with both. Well, folks, that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. and we'll see you in the next one.